Hello everyone, today I'm gonna talk about my Diamond Team version 3. If you remember, the V1 launched way back in 2021 and it did really well. At one point, it had over $1 million in TVL at all time highs. I was also part of the V1 and V2 as well. The V1 was more successful than V2, but why was V2 not that successful? Because it was launched in you can say bear market. But now you all know, with Bitcoin reaching all-time highs of over 100k, Ethereum going towards all-time high, sitting at 4000 per ETH, and they have launched My Diamond Team V3 on Base network, and you need to deposit Ethereum. If you are bullish on Ethereum and want to increase your Ethereum holdings, then you can have a go at My Diamond Team V3, and I am part of this. You can see I have 1 USD that I can recompound and 2 USDs worth of ETH that I can claim to my wallet. So this time they have done well. In order to sustain the contract, they have reduced the compounding. Recompounding is 0.5%, and if you want to claim, then you will be able to claim 1% each and every day. For 7 days you can let your rewards accumulate, and after 7 days you need to perform action of recompound or claim, whatever you choose to do so. And here is your TVL, the amount that you have deposited to the contract. Our all contract has over $15,000 worth of ETH almost, and it's going up. At the time of uploading this video, maybe the amount is more or less, so depending on the price of Ethereum. Now let's have a look at the white paper of My Diamond Team V3. So this is the white paper, My Diamond Team V3. How it works: you will earn daily rewards, 0.5 you can recompound, and if you wanna claim, you can claim 1% daily directly to your wallet, okay, after paying some tax. Alright, on recompound it's 5% tax, and on claims the tax is 10. Here are the taxes distribution. If you claim if you deposit, then you will be taxed 10%. 5% goes to your upline, 2.5% goes to DGB buyback wallet, and 2.5% goes to the operations wallet, means for the marketing purposes. What is DGB? I will discuss later. For compound, there is 5% tax which goes to your upline. Whoever your upline is gonna take this 5%. It is not it will be deducted from you, whatever upline you uses. You can use the platform as an upline as well, or any YouTuber. If you want to use my link, then you can use my link. It will be in the description of this video. Claim tax is 10%. 5% goes to DGB buyback wallet, and 5% for operations wallet. You can call it marketing wallet as well. So what is DGB? It will be a coin launched by My Diamond Team owners and devs, and it will be a utility token for My Diamond Team V3. It will help sustain My Diamond Team for long time. Hopefully this platform lasts for weeks and months and years to come. That this is what I wish, but you all know nothing lasts forever in crypto. But with the help of a superlative community and great people, a project can do really well. So depending on the behavior of the community, if community is supportive, spreading the word, then the project can thrive. And I have seen projects did really well during the bull market compared to bear market. In bear markets, projects tend to die really fast, but in bull market they thrive. So it's up to you. The devs are known, they are familiar in the space, you can say. I have worked with them in the past as well. So this is it for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, then like and subscribe to my channel, and if you found it helpful, you can use my link if you are interested in My Diamond Team V3. Till the next one, take care everyone. Goodbye.